As a business owner, it's vital to track all of your revenues, expenditures, and profits from the moment you start your business. The last thing you want to have happen is chaotic bookkeeping or improperly filed taxes resulting in an audit, so it's important to plan your accounting strategy right from the very beginning. Today, we're going to go over 5 essential strategies for small business owners to help you keep track of your company's finances.
Number 1. Separate business and personal expenses. One of the most common mistakes that small business owners make is commingling their personal and business expenditures. Having a bank account that is solely for your business is the best way to separate expenses out. But remember, make sure you use your business bank account for company expenses only and not personal ones. Any use of business funds for personal expenses can increase the chances of being audited.
Number 2. Consider hiring a professional. No matter how new or experienced you are in business, you should seriously consider hiring an accountant to look after your accounts. Running a business is hard and time-consuming, and accounting details can often slip through the cracks if you try to juggle them with other responsibilities. Hiring an accountant to handle your company's finances will allow you to focus on making your business the best it can be.
Number 3. Use appropriate accounting software. Using accounting software is all about information access and organization. Good accounting software allows you to keep your information up to date and organized so that your records stay consistent and easily manageable. This means not only will your accountant be able to do their job more efficiently, but you will also save time and money in the long run.
Number 4. Keep track of business cash flow. It is essential to keep track of the cash flow within an organization. All business transactions need to be documented so that you can accurately represent your finances come tax season and potentially avoid huge bills or an audit. Having an accurate picture of your cash flow position will give you a good idea of your business's overall health and allow you to make clear, informed decisions.
Number 5. Back up your account records. Computers aren't perfect, so there's always a chance that unpredictable network outages, data corruption, or any other mishap may occur, resulting in the loss of your data. Consider keeping paper copies of your records and storing a backup copy of any electronic records somewhere safe, for example, on the cloud or on an external hard drive stored in a secondary location, such as your home or a safety deposit box. With these strategies, you'll be able to stay on top of your business's finances and bookkeeping, making running your business much easier and safer. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post more videos. If you have any questions, you can find our website down in the description. From all of us at XQCPA, thanks for watching and see you next time.